So, I saw an ad on Facebook yesterday. It was for a 1985 Hilux rock crawler. Got me thinking, could this be the next Built Not Bought project? Messaged my boy Josh, said do you want to go halves in this thing? He's coming over now, we're gonna go check it out.
Here he is! Hello!
Hey. So we're off to meet John, who was the builder and owner of this truck for the last 10 years.
I'm down, how you going? Nice to meet you. Likewise.
Looking for a new toy, that's what we're doing.
Ah, okay. The original had air shocks on it. Ah, okay. And then,
Yeah, what's the history on it? Like, who built it?
me. Yep. Duncan from Team Evolution, if you were around long enough, he done all the cage work for me.
Yeah, nice.
Bar work. Myself, or my brother's an auto electrician, so him and myself and Duncan, between the three of us, put it all together.
The more and more I looked at this thing, the more and more I got excited. You could tell that John had put a lot of work into this thing. All the hard yards have been
The
done.
winch, it works, but
Bit of TLC type of stuff.
it's just not spooling in. I haven't driven it in 2 years. You know, I started up and run it once a week, once a fortnight.
Just to keep it turning over.
Yeah, that's it, which is why it's on stands, because I put it
noticed
in
that.
drive and just let it tick over.
Oh, I guess we'll run it up, eh?
Yeah.
There we go.
Remote res shocks on the front, this coilovers on the back. It will go fast.
Yeah, okay.
You know, you put it in 1-to-1, you can cruise along the road and it's just ticking over at 1.
How many people have looked at it?
You guys are the first, only because you got in early, but I've got about 6 guys all waiting to come and have a look.
The deliberation phase.
Deliberation phase. How do you feel about that?
I know, it looks alright, like, because really all you're paying for is like the frame and body, I guess. Like, if you're going to change the motor, that's where all. Changing out the winch.
Coilovers, there's a lot of time that you're paying for as well.
I reckon it's just like TLC. It's worth just going through it, changing all the oils, pulling all the diffs apart and repacking them and everything. So, it's a good little project.
Okay.
What do you guys reckon? Well, by the time you're watching this, it's probably already at home. So.
I reckon 2 thumbs up from all you guys.
Let's tell him. We'll take it.
Take it?
But you got to paint it yellow. I'm joking.
Oh, I started on a door over there for you already.
Alright, dude.
No dramas. Done.
Alright, so we rocked up to the old boy's house to get the trailer, and there was a car on it. And when I mean a car, I mean this shit. All of that shit. So we just had to unload all this old, well, it's an old hot rod, 34 something. But now we have a trailer. Phew. Let's go get it. Straight back. Oh, it fits alright. Alright, so we haven't even been home yet and we decided to come straight to the tracks. So we're out here to see what this thing can do. But before we do anything, I need to do something to this thing first. Come on. You gotta tell me if it's straight.
So far, so good.
I think this paint job's too nice for what it is though.
Yeah, it's actually done really well. Flash, eh?
Rat!
What do you think?
About what? That? I thought it was going to be bigger.
Just pop to the shops in it then. Well, you drive it off.
I'll drive it if it's auto.
experience was pretty good, I must say. It feels like the wheels aren't even coming off the ground. Alright, so we're gonna go up to the next section here and see what happens. There's no water or mud, which is a shame, but still good. Oh god. Oh, it looks sick. This is gonna be so much fun. I reckon it's so easy, yeah. It's just like
It's
controls over
effortless.
everything.
It's effortless.
Are you on the brake?
Yeah, because we need to
Oh
put a
god,
handbrake in it.
doesn't have a handbrake, but it has park. That's all right. So I think
my foot is currently parked.
Oh,
We'll figure that one out.
yeah, I reckon a little bit of TLC. We'll go through all the diffs, grease everything up, oils,
Change
all
oils,
that.
yeah.
Yeah, and then the first meets, I think February there might be one.
Hopefully.
Take it out and hit the real hard stuff. But pretty happy with it, so actually. What do you
Yeah,
think?
it's been pretty flawless, to be honest.
All right, I'll see you guys in the next video. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time. Peace. You do the slap.
What?
Hit my, just do this. If you found this video inspirational, you should most certainly click the subscribe button. Catch me on Facebook or Instagram for the latest content as well, before this video finishes. What'd you say? Where's the aircon?
Didn't say anything.
You said, where's the aircon?
Where's the aircon?
Jesus Christ.